Good morning, student. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So, student, as you know, school are started, and here we are going to start your online classes to you. So, student, today I am going to teach maths, and the topic is basic concept in geometry. Clear? So, let's start. So, student, we are going to start with point. So, what is point? A point is shown by a tiny dot. We can use a pen or a sharp pencil to make the dot. It is a very tiny dot. We can use a pen or a sharp pencil to make the dot. The dot is the rangoli or the symbol for point. You all are know about the rangoli. जब हम रंगोली को स्टार्ट करते हैं तो हम उसको डॉट से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके, द डॉट इज द रंगोली आर द सिंबल फॉर पॉइंट. अब पॉइंट कैन बी गिवन अ नेम. हम पॉइंट का कोई भी नेम ले सकते हैं, नेम रख सकते हैं. अ पॉइंट कैन बी गिवन अ नेम. So here are some points A, B and C. Capital letter of the alphabet are used to name a point. The points A, B and C are shown in the figure alongside. Clear? So next is line, segment and lines. Line, segment and lines. So what is line, segment? Here we take 2 points A and B on sheet of paper, जिस पे भी आपको कुछ भी points लेना है. Okay, and join them using a ruler. और हमको इनको join करना है with the help of ruler. Scale से हमको इनको join करना है. Okay, we get the straight line A and B. Now we get the straight line A and B. We get the straight line when we are going to join them. We get the straight line. Okay. So can we extend the line further on the side of point B? Yes, we can. We can extend. And on the side of A? Yes. We can extend the. How far can we extend it? We can extend the line in both directions till the edges of the board or paper. If the paper is very big or board are very big, then the line can be very big. Okay, very long. So here let's imagine that we can extend this line forever. We can extend this line forever without any limits. Without any limits on both sides. To show this extend line on paper, we use arrowhead. To show this extend line on paper or board, we use arrowheads. What is arrowheads? This is called arrowheads. When we are going to extend the line, we have to use arrowheads, and we When we say line, we mean straight line always in mathematics. When we say line, we mean straight line. The first line that we draw was only from point A to point B. First line we draw point A to point B. It was a piece or a segment of the longer line. It was a piece of a segment. This is a piece of a segment of the longer line. Understood? A line segment has 2 points showing its limits. A line segment has 2 points showing its limits. They are called endpoints. Showing its limits, they are called endpoints. A and B are its endpoints. These are endpoints. A and B, these are endpoints. We write line segment AB as seg AB in shorts. A and B are its endpoints. Understood? Clear? So third is ray. Rays. What is rays? Look at the picture. Here is sun and here is torch. Sun and torch. So what do you see? Rays are starting from the sun to forward in all direction. Rays are started from sun and forward all directions. Okay, सारे डायरेक्शन से जा रही है, डायरेक्शन में जा रही है. And light ray from the torch also start from a point and go forward continuously in one direction. It start one direction and end one direction. Okay, understood? एक ही डायरेक्शन से जा रही है और एक ही जगह जा रही है ना, पूरे में नहीं फैल रही है. क्लियर? अ रे इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ लाइन. रे पार्ट है लाइन का. इट स्टार्ट एट वन पॉइंट एंड गोज फॉरवर्ड कंटिन्यूसली इन द सेम डायरेक्शन. It start one point and goes forward continuously in the same direction. Clear? The straight point of a ray is called its origin. Starting point of a ray is called a origin. स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट क्या होगा रे का? क्या कहलाता है? व्हाट वी कॉल? इट इज कॉल्ड origin. 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 It is called origin. So here is one more figure. So what is origin? Here what is origin? P is the origin because P is the starting point. So P is the origin. An arrowhead is drawn to show that rays infinity in the direction of Q. See here. arrowheads कहाँ लगा हुआ है? Q के डायरेक्शन में. ओके, इन्फिनिटी तक, आगे तक जा रहा है वो. सो द फिगर कैन बी रीड एज रे पी क्यू. वी कैन रीड पी क्यू. फिगर को हम क्या बोलेंगे? पी क्यू बोलेंगे. ओके, सो द रे पी क्यू इज नॉट रीड एज रे क्यू पी. हम इसे क्यू पी नहीं बोलेंगे कभी भी, बिकॉज रे वापस नहीं आ रही है, सिर्फ यहाँ से जा रही है, यहाँ नहीं हो रही है. पी के पास नहीं, इधर नहीं जा रही है, इसलिए हम इसको, अगर यहाँ पर भी रे होती तो हम इसको पी क्यू एंड क्यू पी बोथ बोल सकते थे. अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? बट रे सिर्फ क्यू के साथ में जा रही है, इंफिनिटी तक जा रही है, तो हम इसे व्हाट वी कॉल पी क्यू. द रे पी क्यू इज sorry, the figure can be read as ray PQ. Clear? So here is your homework. Read it again. Okay, full chapter, full जो भी मैंने आज पढ़ाया है, what we have learned today, so read it again. Okay, so remaining part in this chapter we will read tomorrow. Thank you.